Moving ahead, we reach specification number 3, which asks us to explain the role of auxin in controlling shoot growth, limited to describing that auxin is made in the shoot tip, spreads through the plant, becomes unevenly distributed in response to light and gravity, and stimulates cell elongation. Auxin is produced in the shoot tip and moves down through the plant to control growth. When light is overhead, auxin is evenly distributed, so the shoot grows straight. When light comes from one side, auxin accumulates on the shaded side, causing cells there to elongate more, which makes the shoot bend towards the light. So now let's define auxin. Auxin is a plant hormone that regulates growth and helps plants bend in response to environmental stimuli. It plays a key role in how plants respond to light and gravity, allowing shoots and roots to grow in the correct direction for optimal survival. So, auxin is a plant hormone that enables plants to respond to environmental stimuli by controlling the direction of growth in roots and shoots. Because it regulates growth chemically, plant growth is considered chemically controlled. Auxin is mainly produced at the tips of growing shoots and roots and then diffuses to other regions, moving from areas of high concentration to low concentration. Just behind the shoot tip is the meristem, where cell division and elongation occur. Auxin stimulates cell elongation in the meristem, and the higher the concentration, the faster the cells grow. This hormone is essential for directional growth responses, such as gravitropism and phototropism, and by accumulating on one side of a plant organ, it causes the organ to bend toward or away from a stimulus. Talking about its role in controlling shoot growth, it plays a key role in controlling shoot growth. It is produced at the shoot tip, where active growth occurs, and then spreads downward through the plant to the cells below. When a shoot is exposed to stimuli such as light or gravity, auxin becomes unevenly distributed, accumulating more on one side of the shoot. This higher concentration of auxin stimulates the cells on that side to elongate faster than those on the other side. As a result, the difference in growth rates causes the shoot to bend, directing its growth toward or away from the stimulus. When sunlight falls directly overhead, auxin is distributed evenly, allowing uniform growth, but when light comes from an angle, auxin moves to the shaded side, causing those cells to elongate more and the shoot to bend toward the light. Now here, the diagram shows phototropism, which is the bending of a plant toward a light source, caused by the uneven distribution of the plant hormone auxin. Auxins are produced in the shoot tips, where active growth occurs. When the shoot is exposed to strong light coming from one direction, auxins move and accumulate on the shaded side of the stem. The higher concentration of auxin on this shaded side stimulates cells to elongate faster than those on the side facing the light. This difference in growth rates causes the stem to bend toward the light. In simpler terms, auxins are made in the shoot tips, they collect on the shaded side when light comes from one direction, cells there grow faster, and this uneven growth makes the shoot bend toward the light. Now let's understand the importance of correct growth direction. For a plant to survive, it is essential that its roots and shoots grow in the right directions. Shoots must grow upwards, away from gravity and toward light, so that the leaves can capture maximum sunlight for photosynthesis. This shows that shoots exhibit positive phototropism and negative gravitropism. Roots, in contrast, need to grow downward into the soil, away from light and toward gravity, to anchor the plant securely and absorb water and mineral nutrients. This means roots display negative phototropism and positive gravitropism.